In a place like Mesa, where sunshine is abundant nearly year-round, making the most of natural light in your home is both a practical and stylish choice. One of the most effective ways to brighten your interior spaces is by installing patio doors. With their large glass panels and modern design, patio doors allow sunlight to flow freely into your home, creating a brighter, more open, and more inviting atmosphere. One of the biggest advantages of patio doors is their expansive glass surface. Unlike traditional doors or smaller windows, patio doors are designed with wide panels that let in significantly more sunlight. This can instantly transform darker rooms into vibrant, well-lit spaces. Whether installed in a living room, dining area, or kitchen, patio doors can make your home feel more spacious and welcoming. In Mesa's desert climate, natural light is plentiful, but managing it effectively is key. Patio doors help you maximize daylight without overwhelming your space. Modern designs often include energy-efficient glass with features like low-E coatings, which allow sunlight to enter while reducing heat gain. This means you can enjoy bright interiors without making your home uncomfortably warm, even during the hottest months. Another benefit of patio doors is their ability to create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. By visually extending your living space into your patio or backyard, they make your home feel larger and more open. This connection enhances the flow of natural light, as sunlight can travel deeper into your home when there are fewer visual barriers. The result is a more cohesive and airy living environment. Patio doors also improve the distribution of light throughout your home. Because of their size and placement, they allow sunlight to reach areas that might otherwise remain dim. This reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, helping you save on energy costs while creating a more natural and comfortable ambiance. In addition to brightness, natural light has a positive impact on mood and well-being. Sunlit spaces tend to feel more uplifting and relaxing, making your home a more enjoyable place to spend time. Whether you're working, entertaining, or simply unwinding, the presence of natural light can enhance your overall living experience. The versatility of patio doors also makes them an excellent choice for various home layouts. Sliding patio doors, for example, are perfect for maximizing light in areas where space is limited, as they don't require additional clearance to open. French-style patio doors, on the other hand, offer a classic look while still providing ample glass for light to pass through. No matter your design preference, there's a patio door style that can complement your home while boosting natural light. Another important advantage is how patio doors can highlight outdoor views. In Mesa, where landscapes and outdoor spaces are often a key feature of a home, patio doors frame these views beautifully. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your interior but also strengthens your connection to the outdoors, making your home feel more expansive. Energy efficiency remains a key consideration, especially in a warm climate. Modern patio doors are built with insulated frames and advanced glass technology that help maintain indoor temperatures. By reducing heat transfer, they allow you to enjoy natural light without increasing your cooling costs. This balance of brightness and efficiency makes them a practical choice for Mesa homeowners. Maintenance is another area where patio doors shine. With durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, they are designed to withstand Mesa's intense sunlight and dry conditions without fading or deteriorating. This ensures long-lasting performance and keeps your home looking great with minimal upkeep. Finally, patio doors can increase your home's value and appeal. Bright, open spaces are highly desirable among buyers, and the addition of large, light-enhancing doors can make your home stand out. Even if you're not planning to sell, the improved aesthetics and functionality add long-term value to your property. In the end, patio doors offer a simple yet powerful way to maximize natural light in Mesa interiors. By bringing in more sunlight, enhancing views, and creating a seamless connection to the outdoors, they transform your living space into a brighter, more comfortable, and more enjoyable environment.